Hello everyone, this is Vrushali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In previous session we discussed about SSL, that is Secure Socket Layer Protocol with example. I have mentioned a complete computer network subject playlist link in below description box. Now in today's session we will discuss the next important topic, that is IDS. Let's start the session. In this session, we will discuss about IDS, their working and types with example, and at the end, we will discuss a question bank. Now, the first point is what exactly IDS? IDS stands for Intrusion Detection System. As we know, in this digital era, network is a part of our life. They bring world closer to us. But with this network, the threats of intrusion become very common. And in this virtual world, it is never free from different hackers, attackers, right, and different viruses. So your organization might be vulnerable with these different cyber attacks. That's why there are different network security technologies. These technologies are designed to detect unauthorized access from different users. They detect different abnormal activities in the network and also different malicious behaviors in network. That's why IDS, these systems have generated. IDS continuously monitors and analyzes different network traffic as well as system activities according to their pattern. There are total two types of IDS, which is network-based IDS and host-based IDS. See here in this particular diagram, they show the working of IDS. Any material or any information exchange from different devices to the network, it is goes through the IDS. Now, let's discuss IDS and their working. Now, the first step is traffic monitoring. IDS is one kind of softwares or technologies that continuously monitor your network. They monitor incoming and outgoing traffic from your network. It works like a security guard. They monitor everyone like entering, existing in building, right? The example of network monitoring is suppose someone log in a particular email, someone send a particular mail, or someone visit a particular website, right? Means there are different activities. So they monitor all these activities or their authorization of the particular users. Now the next one is a pattern matching, which is also called as signature based detection. So this IDS software, they have their own rule book. So they match a particular traffic according the pattern, which is also called as signature. For example, someone log in a particular computer, but they log in high number of particular passwords. They log in multiple times. So which is called as unusual activities. So they try to monitor high number of failed login attempts. So this is unusual as per their rule book. So that's why they're matching the pattern of each and every user's activity. Now, the next is anomaly detection, which is also called as behavior based detection. So this IDS, other than rule book, they also learn about normal behavior of the user. That's why they track unusual behavior in particular network. For example, in corporate network, there are multiple employees and typically or regularly they upload few MB of data daily on company's cloud storage. But sometime what happen? That employee computer start uploading GB of data, right? So this is an unusual behavior. So this IDS software track all the unusual behavior and unauthorized access of particular system or the network. So this is called anomaly detection. And last one is a generating alerts. If any unauthorized access are there, if there are any malware activities or abnormal traffic is there, there are some fake users are there, right? So they detect all these suspicious activities and send alert to the network administrator. And after that, network administrator try to resolve that particular issues. So this is the working of IDS. Now, the next point is types of IDS. So this IDS divided into the two types. One is NIDS, which is called as network based IDS, and another one is a HIDS, that is host based IDS. So what is this? So first, network based IDS monitor your complete network traffic. There are different types of network like local area network, wide area network, and metropolitan area network, right? So they continuously monitor entire network traffic. But host-based IDS monitor a particular individual system or individual device. NIDS software is installed on network hardware like routers, switches, or gateways, which are connected to the different networks. But host-based IDS, which is installed on particular system, particular individual device like server. Now, NIDS, they detect network level threats like DOS attacks, scans attacks are there. But HIDS detect host specific attack, means unauthorized user access a particular file in particular system. So this is just a individual system based, and this is a network based attack. NIDS software generate different alerts when there are suspicious network wide activities are there. But host based IDS alerts activities for specific host, specific device. Now, there are different examples of NIDS which detect DOS attacks, DDoS attacks from the web server, and HIDS, they detect malware or someone modify a particular file like active attack, passive attack from the host machine. The advantages of NIDS, they have a broad visibility, right? Because they monitor or find out the different suspicious activities from the large network. So they have a broad visibility. But HIDS have a deep visibility. They find out the suspicious activity from the particular host computer. The disadvantages are NIDS don't find out any unusual activity from encrypted data. So this is a disadvantage. And HIDS, they have a limited individual system, not a network wide attack, right? So these are the two types of IDS. See here in this particular diagram. So these three PC are connected in one single network. So NIDS software installed on that network. But in HIDS, in computer network, multiple devices are there. So each device's HIDS software is installed, right? So this is called network based and host based IDS. Now, as per your previous year question paper, they generally asked about give a short note on IDS. So at that time, you have to explain their definition, working, and types in short with example. And another question is explain types of IDS with example for 6 marks. So thank you. This is all about IDS.